All right. So, been a while since I've done one of these videos. Just been super busy with all the Black Friday stuff and wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on. We got some cool stuff. So, this build right here, this is a Trail Hunter, obviously, 4th gen Tacoma. We're starting to see a lot of these and putting a lot of focus into building these trucks for folks. This truck is going to get a contour canopy, and then we're reworking the tent setup on it, So a little bit more of like a complex tetracene gear and whatnot, but straightforward install. And we've got this Prospector XL back in the shop. We're adding some additional stuff. Got this light bar going right there, adding some lights to the Garmin power switch on it, doing some scene lighting up here. Those Baja Designs and flush mounts. Fun fact for you guys, the templates that they sent for us to do those were off. So took a little bit more work than normal. Let's see what else we got going on. We've got a family sleeper here. This is a 5-footer. This is going to be going on a huge Colorado build. All AAV bumpers and stuff. Shop Grenadier. Show you guys what's going on with that. So this Shop Grenadier is getting the roof conversion. And we've got some stuff marked here, over here on the side, right there. And we're prototyping this XL linkable down here to go on the front of it. Got the Starlink mini mounted on it. Got Sunflare's 240-watt solar panel on here. You guys can see like how clean that line is. So this truck doesn't have the auxiliary electrical, and we're going to be doing like a whole power setup for it without having those auxiliary switches, which is cool. But yeah, as of right now, this thing is a convertible. It's been sitting like this for almost 2 weeks now. Just haven't been able to get back to it. So we will, we got everything cleaned up. Basically, a new roof needs to go on and then start doing some more of the wiring. It's already got Red Arc system that I installed before Moab trip. It's got Red Arc battery, our Garmin power mount and holder going to the LP9s that are up front. But this one's going to get kind of like the full rebuild of the other truck with some updated products that are not released yet. So got that going on. We've got this cabin right here, which is going to be going on a 3rd gen Tundra build. We've got another cabin here going on a Super Duty. That 3rd gen Tundra build is another massive one. She actually owned a Silverado. Came in, drove Andre's truck, which is the last one we did in that walk around video, and fell in love with the suspension, the build out, and went and bought a TRD Pro. And we're going to rip it apart, do the King IBPs on it again. Just that truck drove so freaking nice. It was incredible. Yeah, that's for the most part what we got going on. We've got a lot of Alu cabs that sold during Black Friday, a lot of Alu cab inventory. Got a bunch of suspension stuff coming up. 4th gen 4Runner. We've got 3rd gen Tacoma. There's that Super Duty over there. I don't know if my finger's lining up the way I'm filming. And then we've got this new truck for the shop. So this is a TRD off-road 4th gen Tacoma that we're going to be building out. And I'm actually going to go over to King right now, pick up mid-travel shocks. We've got Total Chaos upper control arms for it. And we're going to be doing a bunch of stuff to that build and documenting it all for you guys. Really focusing on 4th gen Tacomas and working on a lot of those, booking a lot of those. We're going to get the website updated so that there's a section just for 4th gen Tacomas. Should be rad. And yeah, you guys are on lunch break right now, so kind of perfect time to give you guys a quick walkthrough. But there's a roof up there, by the way. And that's a 6.5-foot camper roof that we pulled off the shop ram, which is getting a full interior on it right now. That's almost done, actually. But if you guys are looking for a deal on a 6.5-foot, that's the one. So thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next one.